on as they were before. You best start rising.
Yeah guys, Chef Reid again, you know.
And Chef Alexander here.
Coming to you with one more of them banger episode there. But we done not telling about from back then and we are back when. Alright, so here what I want to know for you. Take in the intro and watch all of the video to the end. You understand? And don't forget to like while watching.
To the end, no stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
We're so forward. Welcome back guys. So today we're here with an exciting epic video guys. Alright, so we're gonna just go into the seasoning. So we have some chopped garlic, some chopped scallions, bell pepper there, onions, star of the show some chickpea, the great mother season salt and pepper. And now we are move on to the banging tofu. Alright, so today guys, watch the video. I'm going to see the description, so we're just going to go straight tonight. So right now we're going to make a marinade for the tofu here guys. Alright. Bowl for the marinade. Put this aside. So we're going to work with some soya sauce guys. And the soya sauce I use today guys are the mushroom flavored dark soya sauce. So I'm going to dilute it with a little water because it's well strong. So soya sauce. See the color? Look on it. So now I'm going to add a little water guys. Just look on that man so it's strong. Look on it with dark same way. Alright. Moving forward. A little salt and pepper guys.
Because you know, in everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. Yes guys.
So we're going to add a little sugar now.
This is optional. You can choose if you want to add this.
Give it a stir.
To combine and get that sugar dissolved.
Feel free to add your garlic powder or your onion powder if you like. But guys, we're just keeping this simple. Alright. Now I'm going to add the tofu guys. I'm going to give this half an hour guys. And every 5 minutes I'm going to give this a turn.
Yes guys, and the longer you have the tofu in the marinade, the more flavor it absorbs. Because you know tofu whole flavor guys. So that's it.
Yeah guys, so I don't see the drift. I don't know how I go on. So I'm used to this by now, so I'm going to just add in the garlic.
In. You don't know the chefs cook until translucent?
Along with the garlic, I'm going to add some scallion.
In.
Along with that guys, some onion.
In.
Final, bell pepper. Give this a stir guys.
You notice the color combination with that green? Beautiful.
Smell this.
Hey guys, I don't know. The aroma is like a perfume for the kitchen. I don't know that thing they go already though.
Alright. The star of the show guys. Chickpea.
In. Guys, this really smells nice. No joke.
Salt and pepper.
In everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. Golden rule.
Take it in guys.
Beautiful. Yes guys, so by the title, you don't know what go on. Make me hear you down in the comment section. Blow up the thumbs up, and if you reach this point and you not subscribe people, join the fam. You don't know the food is right.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add some basil now.
Look at that coming to life.
Basil. Give it a vibe, plus flavor. And remember, everybody nowadays realize them have a sweet tooth and I can add a little sugar.
Yes, guys, this is optional. So if you don't want to add the sugar, that's fine.
And it's not even a teaspoon, just like half teaspoon. Just to spruce up a little life. Bring this to life, guys. Yeah, look at it. You see that ready now, though? You see it, though? Oh, look. Let me hear it in the comment section, guys. Let me hear it.
So guys, we are going to remove this from heat now and move on to the next step though. So watch what I go on. Look at that, guys. The pot hot and at the right consistency like how we want it. So what we are going to do?
Add in the tofu. Alright, anyways, you see what I'm going though.
Yes, guys.
Let's absorb the brown. Yes, guys, that's what we wanted to achieve. So now we're gonna let this sear on the 4 sides and then put on the sauce.
Alright, guys, so stay tuned and check in what I'm going though. And drop some banger comments down in the comment section down below. And grab your food to you see. This is going to make you hungry, guys. So grab your food though. So we'll catch you back when we reach that point though. We're back again, so you know what time it is.
Yeah, give this a turn, guys. Look at that.
Beautiful. Guys, this perfect. And I burn it, you know. Remember, say it be going at the marinade. So you know what? Perfect.
And normally people about brown stew, them look for something chop up fine. No, it's different. You know we do things different around here, guys. So just take it easy.
And you don't know, say it is our twist, our take, our way. Yes, guys.
So we catch you in the back.
When we are move on to the next step.
Alright. We're there again, guys. So if I'm going to see, we want to know what time it is. So we're going to remove this from the heat, guys.
And allow to cool down.
Alright, guys. I see what we are using. The water gone away. So
and you don't know, say the flavor from the oil.
Oh, God. So we're going to add some tomato. Some more bell pepper, guys.
Look at the color from that, guys. You don't know, say Chef Alexander all about color already, people.
Some more garlic.
How that coming together beautiful. Guys, you know what I'm telling you again? Alright. You see the aroma from this is a perfume for the kitchen.
Alright, I'm going to make this slightly sear a little before we add in the little something there. But we have it a soak in the marinade, the same marinade there. Alright, if you are going to use same way, nothing will change.
Yes, guys, and you see, you're using back the same marinade because all of that flavor from this are going to make this awesome.
Alright, guys. So, before me add the marinade, watch what I go on.
Guys, just watch what I go on, you know, and comment down below what you think him go come with.
I'm going to add some white wine.
Yes, guys, just to deglaze the pot a little. People, you want me to tell you about the aroma? Beautiful.
So I'm going to make this reduce back a little, then we'll add the
marinade there. Got that, man.
As I tell you guys, everything different around here, so you know. Everything different. So we extract enough flavor from this, so we're going to add the marinade now. Perfect. Don't see what go on, guys. So we're gonna catch you back when this starts simmering.
Yes, guys. See it start there already.
Alright, so I don't know what go on. So we soon forward.
Guys. Wow. Such a beauty, man.
Look at that. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna submerge the tofu in the sauce.
Vegans. You notice so we are get it on all the 4 sides.
Alright, we can go and simmer now.
For the next 2 minutes, cause you see that was sauce reduced and we don't want it dry out too much.
But before we turn it off, we're gonna give the tofu one next turn. So watch what go on, guys. This is epic. And I always wonder how we cook the way because the a la carte restaurant run, guys. So we work down to order. That's how we work. We don't just cook food and put on. So you come on your order, you get it same time. You have to wait half an hour upon your meal, guys. That's how we work. Epic.
Guys, I will all do function as well and catering. So just do the right thing. Check the description. You see our Instagram. Link we up over there.
Look at that. Even next turn now. Beautiful.
Look at that, guys.
Alright, so now I'm going to base it with some of the sauce, guys.
Beauty in a pot. Yes, guys, I'm love how me hearing in our comment section.
Hey, the vegans them, I love you. I'm not stop giving the hey. But even not talk.
And for all our new subbies, welcome to the foodie family, guys. Welcome. You're on the right team. We appreciate you and this family.
Alright, it's ready now, guys. It's ready. Turn it off for axe. What come next? Now, just start saute the veg there. Ready for the plating. No. Alright, so.
And you know, so that plating, I got to wash your Reid.
Epic. EPIC.
You know, have to say 40 people. Just watch what go on.
Alright, guys. So, we have to start with the chickpea first.
No, guys. If you see the plate, you don't know what go on. No.
I say she can go on here. Sure.
Them don't know what go on, Chef Reid. Because them don't know so the plates in them banging.
EPIC.
Epic.
Alright, so I could get on to it. Now I work with the edge of the plate, guys. Now I work on the side today. You know the busy signal on the edge, on the edge, on the edge. Alright, I did some of that. On the edge. If you don't know what I do, guys, I drop off. Because this is not only epic, super epic. I'm more here in the comment section. I'll me here, you know. Give them a look on that and make me hear with them.
What do you say, people?
On the comment yet? But go on the time there for like.
This is the time for like now, you know. Like up the video. Alright.
Remember, I'm telling you a while ago, I like my go on the time there for like because to it I got epic, guys. I don't want to know get hungry and say, here what pot I got put on and I forgot to press all the like button. So here what press like now.
Look at the color, guys.
Remember a while ago, I'm telling you something there on the edge.
On the color, guys. Look at that. Nice hazel brown. And then you come round here and you see that orange, that green, and that hint of yellow. Guys, you don't know so Chef Alexander all for color already. So you know this door.
Fill out them little spot there. And if you want to reach this far, guys, comment vegan.
Yeah, I'll comment that for Chef Reid and for Chef Alexander. Comment colorful beauty.
Give them a next look again there. Because them know what come now. The epic piece of come.
Guys, time for the showstopper. The dapper.
It's a master chef in Jamaica.
Guys, tell me if this not going half a moon vibe. Tell me what this reminding you of.
And I done in a warm up. But before I go no further, I gotta clean up my plate.
Plate clean up, everything looking nice. Garnish. Can I tell you guys? You're not vegan, you know. But my hearing in the comment section and come like say, them something you want change my mind. Guys, write this so. When I be able to him no one go write this so and him hear me I say write this so. No way I doing a parsley. Don't move. Right this so. Another one. DJ Khaled vibes. Master guys. The significance and the beautification.
Nah, bad on up, guys, but I want to see some likes for this.
Tell them how much likes you want, Chef Reid.
Nah, appreciate it. Let's give me 1,000.
Alright, guys. And guess what you're going to do for Alexander now? Chef Alexander now? Get that video to 3K people. Nah, pressure on you know. 3K. We don't have it now.
Get them look closer, the chef.
Close up. Right this so. Round this so. Come back round your so. Hey people. Spam up the comment section. Blow up the like. I know what we're gonna do now. We're gonna leave you know with something for think about. We're gonna leave you know with a banger. So just drop some banger comments down below. The video them want to see we do. Give them a rotation, chef. Slow mo. Ui. Guys. Cut that angles. Right so. So we're gonna leave you with a bang now, guys. Until next time. Bye, foodies.